winter session, Kiren Rijiju chaired an all-party meeting in which the Waqf bill was discussed. Now, Kiren Rijiju said that the bill will be discussed during the upcoming session as well. The JPC chief has also said that the Waqf bill draft report was ready. However, there are MPs in the opposition camp who are also part of the committee, and they are also demanding an extension of the November 29 deadline for more deliberations on the report. Now, Kiren Rijiju has rejected the demand and has said that for any extension of deadline, permission needs to be sought from the parliament.
We are not requesting. JPC will come out with the report and table in the House. If they get delayed, they'll have to seek permission from the House, because the parliament in the Lok Sabha, it was decided that the JPC report has to be tabled before the last day of the first week of the winter session of the parliament. If there is a delay, they'll have to seek the permission of the House.
सबसे पहले जो हम मुद्दे उठाने जा रहे हैं, हमने उस पर चर्चा की है। सरकार क्या उठाएगी, सरकार क्या लाएगी, वो तो बाद में है ना। हमारा तो फर्स्ट कंसर्न है देश की अर्थव्यवस्था। 2300 करोड़ की रिश्वत का मतलब है लाखों करोड़ का घोटाला। तो सबसे पहले तो हम उठाएंगे।
Now, the fresh face-off comes after Prime Minister Narendra Modi attacked the Congress for its poor poll show in Maharashtra Assembly elections. He also said that the Congress formed laws to promote appeasement politics and that the Waqf board is an example of the Congress's appeasement ploy. Now, the Prime Minister also added that there was no place for Waqf law in the Constitution given to us by Babasaheb Ambedkar, but the Congress supported it to increase its vote bank.
कांग्रेस ने तुष्टीकरण के लिए कानून बनाए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश तक की परवाह नहीं की। इसका एक उदाहरण वक्फ बोर्ड है कि 2014 में इन लोगों ने सरकार से जाते जाते दिल्ली के आसपास की अनेक संपत्तियां वक्फ बोर्ड को सौंप दी थी।
Sabyasachi is joining us on the phone line. Sabyasachi, when it comes to Waqf, we've seen the kind of face-off that has taken place, and now ahead of the winter session, it seems like the government's intent has become even more clear. The discussions have taken place. Opposition MPs are saying they want, they want more time for it. Do tell us about what's the strategy